Many people do not buy a home theater in one single shot. They first start with a TV, then they realize that they want better sound, then they want more bass, then they want more immersive experience. And in all of this journey of reaching till that immersive experiences, there are so many mistakes made which has costed them nothing but money. Now, if you do not want to make the same mistake, and if you want to know the right order to build your dream home cinema experiences, then stay on till the end. So if you're going to start your journey in the step-by-step format, then the first thing that you need to do is ask yourself a very important question. And that question is, what am I missing right now? Now the answer to this question is never about I need Dolby Atmos. It is either that my dialogues are extremely unclear. I cannot understand what that person on the screen is trying to say. The second problem is that I feel that the sound is very flat. There is no bass, there is no punch, there is no maza in the movie experience. The third problem is that there is no impact in the movies. So I don't feel like watching any movie on my TV. I would rather stick to my headphones and a mobile phone. And the fourth is that I have to constantly sit with the remote control to play around with the volumes, which has to go high to feel satisfying. But then suddenly you have got a thunder, or you have got a parent screaming out there saying that, hey, reduce the volume. So that's not a good experience either. So if you know that your answer is revolving around these four things, then Dolby Atmos is definitely not needed for you. What you primarily need right now is to fix up the front soundstage. And this front soundstage is dependent upon three main speakers. That is your left speaker, your center speaker, and your right speaker. So the very first thing that you would do in the step one is try adding these front speakers along with an AV receiver. Now yes, while shopping for these AV receivers, you need to figure out whether you are going to build up Dolby Atmos eventually, then you might have to invest in that right now. If you are not, then you can buy a regular 5.1 amplifier and you can still buy these three speakers in the front. Now in the step 2, the first thing that you need to upgrade is not just the surround speakers. It is first the subwoofer. Because your subwoofer is going to be the starting point for your multi-channel home theater setup. Because any content that you're watching today, especially on Netflix, Amazon Prime, either of the OTT apps, or even on, in general, Tata Sky, but movies is the primary content, then it is programmed in 5.1 as a least possible format, where 5 are the main speakers, but the 0.1 is the subwoofer. Now this 0.1 is where there is a dedicated signal given and assigned to the subwoofer. So if you do not add the subwoofer, you are going to miss out on all the low frequency extension that is required to give you a nice holistic experience. So for these reasons, always try to add the subwoofer in the step 2, because it is going to add weight to the room, it is going to add scale to your home theater experience, and at the same time it is going to give you the punch that is going to make you feel as if you're part of the room, you're going to feel as if you're part of the content, and everything is then going to start feeling right. Now after this step 2 comes the step 3, which is adding the surround channel speakers. Now the surround channel speakers can be 5.1, 7.1, so it can be 2 or 4 based upon the room size, based upon the amplifier that you have bought earlier, and all of these things will eventually complete your bed layer home theater system. Because in your bed layer, you have got your front 3 speakers, your 2 or 4 surround speakers, and the subwoofer. Now this is exactly where people can either stop or they can further go on to the step 4. And that step 4 is adding the ceiling speakers or the height channel speakers. Because these speakers are going to now create an atmosphere of sound around you, especially if you're going to watch the content which is designed around this 3D surround formats. Now these 3D surround formats can be Dolby Atmos, can be DTSX, can be Auro 3D, and based upon the AVR that you have bought at the start, the final addition of this ceiling speakers or height channel speakers is going to be dependent. So make sure that this Atmos journey is built together with the right purchase of the AV receiver. So as and how you progress from step 1 to step 2 to step 3 and to finally the step 4, that is where the immersion will come into play. Till then, till step 3, You will have a great surround sound experience with the subwoofer still rattling your floors, but you will not have a complete immersive experience. And that immersive experience will come only after step 4. So if step 4 is logical and possible in your scenario, always try to keep that as the end goal, because most of the new content today is coming in those 3D surround formats. So to sum up all of these 4 steps in one simple order which you can easily remember, the first is to fix up the clarity of the sound, which comes from the front soundstage, that is your left, center and the right speaker. Then as step 2, always add bass so that your floor starts rattling and you will start feeling the nice holistic experience without having that flat sound complaints. The third is add your surround sounds, because that is where your bed layers will then get completed. And lastly, add your ceiling speakers or your height channel speakers to get the final immersive experience in place. Now, if you want to know what are the right products for you to start in this journey according to your space, then don't forget to hit the link that is shared in the description as well as in the pinned comments, where you can connect with our AV experts and they can handhold you, guide you throughout this entire journey. So feel free to get in touch with them. And for more such videos on home theater experiences, setup tours, product reviews, comparisons, don't forget to hit the subscribe button right now. Thank you so much for watching. I, Tanmay Mehta, your home cinema consultant or home theater wale bhaiya, will see you again in the next video. Bye bye.